In this video, we'll show you how to change the sway bar end links on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford F-150 safely. The end link connects the sway bar to the lower control arms to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Use an 18mm wrench to keep the ball joint from rotating. Then, using another 18mm spanner, unscrew the nut on the upper ball joint. Do the same on the other side to make this operation easier. Lift the sway bar. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Then remove the lower nut. You can now remove the link. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new link. Install it into the lower control arm. Screw the nut of the lower ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. Put the sway bar back in place. Screw the nut of the upper ball joint of the sway bar end link back on. Block the rotation of the holding nut with an 18mm wrench. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then, using a pump, fill the ball joints until grease overflows from the rubber boots, indicating that you have added enough grease to the ball joints. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.